All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And we might be running up against a Whipple Shelby GT500 and possibly a twin turbo F-150. I'm not 100% sure. We'll see what actually pops up to this little spot. Been trying to get it running with this Whipple GT500 for quite some time, but our schedules never align. Might happen today, might not, but it is what it is. We'll see what pops up, and if anything that makes sense is there, we'll try to get a run in. So if you guys enjoy the content, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. My boys in the S650, I think he's actually going to go ahead and blend it up with E30. We might go ahead and drag the car tonight. If the cars that I'm supposed to run don't show up, we're just going to go ahead and drag his car to see how it is performing with just the E30. What you think, man? What do you think the car is going to run? The 60 to 130 the way it is right now.
Mine?
Yep.
I'm hoping the Super ran. What was it? Do you remember?
It's like an 8.7. It's not going to run anywhere near that.
It's like an 8.73. I hope. Shit, I hope under 10.
I don't know.
High, fuck it. I don't give a fuck if it's a 9.9. But realistically, it'll probably be a little higher. It'll probably be somewhere in the 10s.
Hopefully. Hopefully. I think probably mid-10. Probably. Realistically. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Alright. We about to head out. I hope these guys are here, because if not, then I'm really about to drive out here for nothing. And I kind of don't want to do that, but it is what it is. Oh, I hope these cars are here.
One eternity later.
All right, pulled up to a little spot. The car that I'm actually supposed to run, or the two cars that I was planning on running, are not here, but we have a Demon, which is actually pretty cool. I ain't gonna lie. And he's actually on a tire. This could be interesting. I've never ran a Demon before. Let's see what we got here. Got a lot of Hondas out today, though. Got a lot of Hondas over there. These could actually be pretty good sleepers. I saw one of these online, and it was moving out way faster than anybody would have thought. There's a lot of Hondas today. Damn. This is pretty badass. Bet you that's like K24, a big ass turbo in there. It's pretty sick.
One eternity later.
All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And my boy in the S650 is going to be dragging the car today to see exactly what it can do. I'm curious because the DA is actually pretty nice tonight. It's like 900 to 1,000, which actually is the lowest it's been in the past couple months. So in theory, the car should run a pretty good time. Might go ahead and drag my car again, but at the same time, it's not really that big of a deal. I'm curious to see what this car could do stock with the E30 tune. What do you got? What do you think it's gonna run?
Yeah, I think it's gonna be lower than a 10.5.
You think so?
I'm just comparing it to like what the Supra was. I don't know. It might be a 10.5. It might.
I think it's gonna run a mid 10. I think
it'd be sick to see like
a 9.
9.99.
Yeah.
Dude, I don't give a shit if it's 9.99.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be a mid 10. But again, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. The weather is actually pretty good. So we'll see.
Yeah.
We'll see what she runs, y'all. I'm real curious. I am real curious. I think it's gonna be a mid 10 though. Anything faster than that? Holy cow. But I think she's gonna be a mid 10. Turn coming up too. I mean, you're good. Yeah, bro, you're good. Car sounds so quiet. All right, we're back at the E station. I need to get some E immediately. This car has no gas in it, but my homie just went ahead and got his car dragged. What'd it run? 1079?
10.79. Here's the official report.
We're about to get the car a lot faster. I knew it was gonna run within that 10.5 to like 10.7 area, realistically, just based off of what my car ran and what I've actually ran up against on the street. So I think that's actually a pretty good time. Again, we're about to be doing a lot more to the car. It's about to get cut in half, literally. So I'm really curious to see exactly what this car could do with the new modifications. These S650s are nasty, man. The 10 speeds, they're nasty. they're nasty. Hopefully they go ahead and get the clutch protection figured out with the 6-speed manuals, because and that 10-speed is looking real nice. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Wanted to get something done tonight because we unfortunately were not able to run the GT500 or the F-150. We tried to go ahead and get a run in with the Demon. The first one I spun pretty bad, stayed in it, probably honestly shouldn't have, and then hit limiter in 3rd gear. Well, we did run him down. And the second run, we tried to line up, but he didn't want to go because he said his temperatures were a little bit too hot. So it is what it is. We'll probably get another run in at some time, but let me go ahead and pump some E85, and I'm about to go back to the crib because it's late, technically early. Woo, man, this car needs twin turbos ASAP. Let me tell you that right now. He needs some twin turbos ASAP. All right, it's the next day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys did, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. I'm gonna try to get a rerun with the Demon very, very soon. Gotta go ahead and get some things done to the Shelby GT350 before that. But like I said, if you guys enjoy, y'all know what to do, man. And make sure you guys stay safe out there. Deuces.